And the man behind the camera, my better half, is Andy. And today we are going to be doing our makeup outdoors in the high winds. Now, at first we did not really anticipate doing my makeup in winds like these, but we plan to do more episodes like this, hopefully in the future, where we combine makeup with our love for the outdoors. We really love camping and going off-roading and taking our Jeep and our trailer out places to explore, and we hope to take you guys along with us in the future. So today we were planning on filming, but the winds came out of nowhere and decided that they were going to have a grand old time, so we decided to turn this makeup into more of a challenge to see if I can do it in the high winds. And not only is it super windy, but it's also super cold. The wind chill is insane. So if I sound a little funky, honestly, my face has kind of gone numb. But let's go and get started so we can get through this, honestly, as fast as possible. I don't typically do my makeup while we're out off-roading or camping, but I think it would be a fun way to combine the stuff we really love to do with makeup. First things first, I did already moisturize my face inside, even though out here in the really cold wind it's already drying out. But we're gonna take my foundation, which is Frankie Rose in China Silk, and apply that all over my face as best as we can in this wind. Oh my gosh, it calmed down for a second. Stay while I apply my foundation, because if that wind comes through, I'm gonna get dirt all over my face. Okay. Honestly, can't feel my face. I feel like my foundation is pretty much drying as soon as I apply it, so no doubt it's gonna be incredibly streaky and not my best work, but we're gonna do what we can. We're gonna try our hardest. This is not a challenge where I just try to do it just to do it. I'm gonna try to do it really well. And apparently me getting makeup all over my jacket. Woo! Okay, next up, concealer. Jeez Louise again. We gotta do this a little bit at a time because this stuff's gonna dry on my face in a matter of seconds out here. I'm taking the Frankie Rose concealer. Oh my gosh, it's already drying and my eyes look like they've aged 1,000 years and my eyes are watering. Lord help me. All right, my fingers. Now, usually at this point, I would take a powder to set my foundation, but let's be honest, my foundation's already set, and if I bring out a powder, it's just gonna disappear in a matter of seconds through the wind. So let's just take some pressed powder. Ooh. I genuinely can't feel my fingertips. Oh, hallelujah. For this, I just took the Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation and just applied that everywhere. I think I lied. I think this isn't going to be the best makeup application I've ever done. But again, I'm trying real hard, I swear. So now we're going to take the Smashbox Contour Palette. It's seen a lot of love, as you can tell. And we're just going to throw a little bit of contour with this first powder. We're just going to go around our face. Woo! And we're going to bronze a little bit as well. Because even though we don't actually get much sun, we want to make it look like we do. My skin looks absolutely horrendous right now with the dryness and the wind. Lord. And then we're going to take the Milani Awakening Rose Blush and apply that right on our cheeks. Ooh. Ooh. Now we're going to take the BH Cosmetics HD Brow Pencil, and this is in medium, and we're going to try our best to, oh gosh, my wrinkles. Oh Lord. My eyes are watering. Ooh. Okay, let's just be honest. I have decent brows. We're just gonna call that good. Oh, my fingers. Whew. We're gonna take a Sigma E40 and this Milani Hyperpigmented Eye and Face Palette. Ooh, wait. Ooh, look how pretty that is. So we got some really pretty oranges. We are going to go into the color Golden Hour, which is this guy right here. And go into our crease. Then we're going to go into the color right next to it called Pyro and lightly grab that and go right underneath that one. The Golden Hour. I wish I could tell you guys the actual temperature out here because it is so freaking cold. I can't even tell you. I am wearing 2 jackets, a long sleeve, a thermal, leggings, and jeans, and I'm still freezing. We're just gonna keep deepening. We're gonna words deep. We are gonna deepen that color. We got this, folks. Woo! Make sure that's nice and well blended. Oh man, ooh-wee. I couldn't find my other brush. Let's take this Sigma, can't even read it anymore. I think it's an E30 pencil brush with some of that Golden Hour. We're gonna go underneath where it looks like we have more wrinkles than we actually do. And again, we're gonna take that Pyro color. Oh man, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. Now we're gonna take this purple Milani palette. We're gonna play off my hair and add a little bit of purple to my lids. I want to deepen it up. Maybe use some of this one, which is Past Curfew. Ooh, we got a break. Ooh, go, 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 go. We're taking BH Cosmetics 8 brush. We're gonna tap that and then pat that on our lid. My eyes are watering. Ah! This looks more blue than purple. We're gonna take the color Very Violet right next to it and put that over and see if that, yes, it's making it more purple. Hands down, worst makeup application I think I've ever done. Okay, we need to blend that out. This looks awful. I'm gonna take the Luxie 229 brush. And Very Violet and try to blend that up a little bit. This is not cute. Not cute, man. Not cute. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, let's just call it a day. We're not going to do eyeliner because, let's be real, I do not have the dexterity in my fingers to even hold it. Ooh, my thumb hurts. What's next? I've lost all brain function. Mascara. Let's put on mascara. Mascara makes everything better, right? Right? Say yes. We're going to take the Cannonball Cannonball Ultra Waterproof Mascara. Stop. I think it's already dried up. Oh, God. I think I'm going to ruin that mascara. Ooh. There's literally nothing coming off this one because it's just drying up. Okay, we need something in our inner corner. We're going to take the color It's Delicate from this purple palette and put that in our inner corner. Oh! I think this look would actually be really nice if I could actually properly do it. Holy mother! Oh, we need highlighter. Oh, we need a highlighter. We're gonna take this Milani Summer Glow Strobe Light Instant Glow Powder in number 7. Ooh, I can't find my brush. Oh, heck. I think I left it at home. Okay, random brush. Random brush time. Oh. Let's take this Luxie 181 and just slap that crap all over the place. Oh. Lord, help me. We need lipstick. We are not even going to try eyelashes because Lord knows I'm going to end up stabbing myself in the eye. Let's throw on some lipstick and call this thing done. Ooh. No. Alright, we'll go with this. Woodstock by Model Rock Cosmetics and the Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick or whatnot. Ooh, yeah. Stop. Okay. And nothing is complete without your finishing spray. Whew. Did any of it get on my face? I think so. So here's the final look. As you can tell, we just had exquisite detail in everything that I did today. And it looks marvelous. I think it's the best makeup application I've ever done. My face hurts. And I can't feel my fingers anymore. Holy mother of... Ooh. Well, thanks for joining us, guys. I think this is hands down the worst makeup application I've ever done. We made it through this awfulness, but we're here in the beauty, if you could actually see it. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you guys join us next time and see what else we have planned. I don't know. Maybe we'll do while swimming. No, we're not going to do that. Oh, God, please no. But all I want right now is to go back in my trailer and make some tea. So let's get the muddy flipper shower, get out of here and not be so freaking cold. Oh.